live in Woodbridge, Virginia. We just finished our new kitchen and we're quite delighted and take great joy in what we have here. So we raised 4 kids. We homeschooled them, so they were in this kitchen quite often. So not this one, but the old one. And it's, it got used up quite a bit. And so after 21 years of that, we decided once they left home and we were empty nesters, we decided we wanted to enjoy something new and exciting in this new stage of life. So that's kind of how it all started.
Yep. And so what we did is we went out and we started looking for various options for updating our kitchen. We went to various companies, we got estimates, we interacted with different folks, and then we discovered USA Cabinet Store, and we're very impressed with the personnel, with Craig, with his willingness to work with us, to work with his responsiveness, and he was very impressed. We were very impressed by what he did and how he helped us. He helped us visualize. We gave him the layout of the kitchen originally, and he helped us visualize what it could look like. And surprisingly, or maybe not surprisingly, it looks pretty much exactly as he described it in the computer visualization. So we came in with one idea of a design and options and color scheme. And as we got to talking with Craig, and as Elena started expressing her desires, I kind of realized that maybe I'm kind of driving the train a little bit too much. And so I backed away and I gave Elena and Craig a little bit more freedom to work through what colors and how they would be combined.
Yeah, we struggled a little bit with colors. As you know, everybody has their own taste. So when I went into the shop, I loved the cabinets that were in the room there and in the store, and they had this Cambria Britannica gold, and I loved it. I said, that's what I want. But there's a lot involved in picking a home. You have the pendants and the backsplash, and we had to go back and forth with colors and our tastes, and we finally came down with this product that you see here. He did not want white and a white island, so we compromised and we went with a wood, and I absolutely love it. It's great. And as far as the appliances are concerned, we had some already, a couple of them, but we worked, my husband did a ton of research, and we ended up getting a wall oven and a microwave oven and a bunch of the things that I realized through the years that I could have really used, and so it worked out great.
So we brought in the color scheme for the flooring that we put in new flooring, and we brought that in and we matched that against the dark walnut island, and also against the herring plume color of the white cabinets along the walls.
So just recently I had a friend that just sent me a note. I mean, I put it on Facebook and everybody is flabbergasted by the kitchen and how beautiful it looks and how much they would love to have it. So I had some friends message me, and they wanted to know who did my kitchen, and that was actually yesterday. So of course I suggested USA Cabinet Store, and they've done their research already, and she sent me a note and said that she loved, I think she spoke to somebody, I don't know where, she was looking at videos, and she's really excited about possibly maybe doing something similar to what we have.
And I would just like to say that I can't recommend more highly the design, the expertise that Craig provided, as well as the responsiveness and the precision and personal involvement that his craftsmen provided to putting in and installing all the different aspects of the cabinetry, the backsplash, and the island countertop and cabinet countertops.
Yeah, we loved Azad. He was fantastic. He came on time all the time. He listened to us. If there was something that we thought wasn't just right or whatever, he was quick to fix it, and a very pleasant personality, easy to work with. We were very happy with the gentleman.
Okay. From beginning to end, it was a great experience.
Hi, this is Craig. I'm a designer with USA Cabinet Store. Several months back, Ken and Elena came into our showroom, wanted to do a kitchen, and this is the result. They had some excellent ideas on what they wanted for their kitchen. and structural changes to be made to the home to create that new kitchen. And we spent a lot of time in the design process and in the material selection process coming up with a kitchen that not only looks good, it really works very well for their lifestyle, their friends and family, and is also exquisitely beautiful. All the material selections, the countertops, the cabinets, hardware, the tile, everything that we put into this kitchen together, that we designed together, we spent a lot of time in our design software really seeing how it was going to look. And the result is this exquisite kitchen that we've got here today that Ken and Elena just are very happy with. And it's been a pleasure to work with Ken and Elena. They've been wonderful. And our man in the field, Azad, did a fantastic job creating the actual kitchen out of the ideas and plans that the three of us put together. Showplace cabinetry, Cambria countertops, wonderful appliances. This is just an exquisitely beautiful kitchen. This is a project we're very happy at USA Cabinet Store to be a part of, and to have the opportunity to work with Ken and Elena has been fantastic. Come on down and see us. We look forward to helping our next clients. Have a great day.